Hello everyone, my name is Mandalaksita Irsani and I'm from UIN Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. And now I want to explain you about plastic surgery in Islam. As we know, plastic surgery is used to repair deformed organs to look and work normally. The implementation of plastic surgery is carried out on people who have deformed organs. But now, plastic surgery is also done on people who have the perfect and beautiful body to look more attractive. As we know, plastic surgery is forbidden in religion because it means we change the shape of God's creation. But many humans seem to ignore the prohibition and still do it to beautify themselves. Plastic surgery has been widely done for a long time, and especially in a foreign country. And the countries that are famous for doing the plastic surgery are Thailand and South Korea. So, there's a question about plastic surgery. Is Islam allow the plastic surgery? If yes, what is the reason? While it is clear that plastic surgery is haram, actually, Islam allows plastic surgery if it is for the reason of repairing limbs or bodies damaged by accident, like burn defects in the face or body. In Islam, to beautify ourselves is not only about physique. We can beautify ourselves by increasing our value and upgrading ourselves to a better fashion, such as improving akhlaq and strengthening faith. So, Islam has several perspectives on plastic surgery. 1. Plastic surgery is legal or allowed if it's done for the medical or health, depends on the health of the person. 2. Plastic surgery is haram because if it's done based on beautifying oneself and perfecting one's appearance for inner satisfaction, this is forbidden because it means changing the God creation and not thankful for the gift of God. 3. It's recommended for rehabilitation. In Islam, if the plastic surgery operation for cleft lid, then it is recommended because this is for the good psychological of the sufferer. 4. Plastic surgery performed based on beauty can have a negative impact because the success of the operation cannot be ascertained to be 100% perfect. It could be that the result is even unexpected. Also, it can be an impact for health when getting older. 5. Changing God creation. Beautifying oneself with plastic surgery, it means you changing God creation, and it can make a big sin. So, we as a Muslim are not allowed to do plastic surgery, especially with the excuse of like, oh, my nose is too big, I want to make it smaller so I can look beautiful. No, as long as the nose is still useful according to its function, which is breathing, we do not need to change it because it means you're changing God's creation, unless our nose is damaged by accident and indeed must be reconstituted in order to return to the function and return to its original shape. As a Muslim, we should appreciate what we have and be grateful for what Allah has given to all of us. So that's the explanation about plastic surgery in Islam from me. Sorry if there's any mistake and any wrong information. Thank you for watching.